Today we're going to get started with SQL, and I'm going to show you how to get it downloaded on your laptop, focusing on SQL Developer. Again, just to start off, reminder, all links will be in the video description, so go and take a look there, navigate straight there. So we're on the Oracle website, and today I'm working on a Windows laptop, so there's different versions, right? If you're on a Mac or Windows, so I'm working on Windows. And if you're also just getting started, you want to make sure you pick the one with the JDK, which is the Java Development Kit, since that's needed in order to actually set up SQL Developer and access it. So I'm going to go ahead and download this. I reviewed and accepted the license and click download. Just waiting for that to get installed. All right, that took a moment for me to get rolling, but eventually it's going to take you to an Oracle login page. I've already got an account, so I went ahead and signed in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click create an account, and it'll take you to this page where it's very easy. You just got to enter in some basic information. Some of this, again, it doesn't have to be really valid if you're just working on your own. You don't have to put an actual job title and company in that kind of thing. But again, that's all you need to do to create an account. And this is a free download, so once you do that and go ahead and sign in, it'll go ahead and initiate. So it just finished up for me. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to open it in my, I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and you can see it's in a zip file now. So what I want to do is I want to extract it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit extract all. I'm going to go click the folder. That's actually right. It's going right into my program files, which is where I want it. I'm going to go ahead and select that folder, and let's go extract. I'm going to continue, and we're copying it over now. So this might take a minute or two. All right, so that might have taken more than just a minute for you. It did it for me as well. But we've gone ahead and we've extracted it. It's in my program files. And you can see if you open up the folder, there are a ton of folders in here. But what you want to do is find that SQL Developer application, and you can go ahead and launch it. Now, since I've had this previously on my machine, it is bringing in some previous settings that I've got already in here. If you're opening it for the very first time, you may be asked at this point to enter a JDK, at which case, when you click the browse button, you want to go and navigate to your JDK, your Java Development Kit folder. So just a heads up, if you get prompted for that and you would need to select a location, that's what you want to pick. Okay, so now you're in. You've downloaded, you've installed SQL Developer, and what you want to do now is you want to connect to a database. When connecting to a database, you can definitely go a lot of different routes here. If you're connecting to SQL and working for an organization, you may be able to get instructions on how to connect to your specific company's database. But if you're just trying to download SQL Developer to get started and learn, let's go ahead and create a connection manually, and let's connect to a local database. So when you go ahead and click new connection, you could see already prompted with a username, password, and host name information. Now, if you don't have a database and you want one, this is what you need to do. I'm going to go ahead, again, links in the description. But again, this is the Oracle website, but there is a free Oracle database you can download. So I'm going to download the 21C for Windows. Again, I'm working on a Windows machine. And you would just go ahead and download it, follow the instructions. As part of the instructions, you're going to set up a username and a password. It is extremely important that you remember that, since that's what you're going to need in order to access it. You're going to, of course, same thing we did for SQL. You're going to download the zip file. You're going to extract it. And additionally, I can even show you, if I can go back to my program files. So once you download the 21C Express Edition, you can go ahead and click that Setup button and go ahead and follow the steps and instructions to install your new Oracle database. And you're going to create a user account, and once you complete the installation, then come back to SQL. Come back to SQL, and first to set up a name, you can name this anything you want. So I'm going to name this Gerbs Database. Oh my gosh, here we go. Now the username, it will have been already created a system account, a system user ID. So that's the user that you're going to put in there. The password is the password you set during that installation of the database. So I'm going to put that. Now don't change anything here. Localhost 1521. Now the service name, we're going to switch that to XE. Now you can click test. That makes sure that the connection is valid, that you're able to actually connect to this database. So you can always test it before you actually connect. I'm going to go ahead and save it because I want, in the future, I want to just be able to connect to this database easily. And then let's go ahead and connect. I'm going to get prompted to enter my password again. I'm going to enter it. Hit OK. And voila, we are now in my database. If you want to just do a quick check of my tables in here, so select, you could do a quick query, select table name from all tables. Let's run it. And you can see these are all the tables that you now have in your database. So that's it. That's basically all you need to get started. We've went through downloading SQL Developer, and we also quickly touched on downloading an Oracle database and how to connect to it. And from here on out, I'm going to go deeper into how to create tables, how to run queries, how to join tables, and all the ins and outs of a quick and easy SQL crash course. So continue to stick with us. Please like, please subscribe. We've got a lot more videos coming. And thanks for tuning in today. Appreciate it. Thank you.